Yeah, everybody, so the President of the United States of America, there! Yes, sir, yeah, the jam rock. You see me? The land of my birth. I said this is the land of my birth. Yeah, the first time in a long while a president of anywhere come to Jamaica. So it's a big, huge event. Last time I watch my TV, it come like the first time I see a black man come off a plane. Man, nah, lie. I'm a classic man. You can be me when you look this clean. I'm a classic man. Don't know Sister P did there at the airport. I wait for the president to forward, and as the Air Force One jet touch land, Sister P there. Well suited out in her best dress, wig well comb up. Prior to Barack arriving in Jamaica, Sister P and the government of Jamaica make sure fix up the road them, take off the madman them off of the streets, although I don't know what she do with them. And she clean up the place, and so when the president reach a yard there, the place look good. So you see how the place look nice? You see it though? Yeah, you need to come here more often because apparently Sister P only clean up her house when man come her yard. But President, big man thing still. I just a few things when I like to deal with for me, you know. You see me? President, like why you and Sister P a roll for the day, you can't just whisper in her ear say, yo, Sister P, free up the herbs now. Because we literally sit down on a cash crop and we now utilize it. Well, you know, legalize it, so I can't show it. I like when you're there, Mr. Obama, you can just go to the embassy and tell them to free up the visa them for the Jamaican people. Because enough of we want to go foreign and work and come back and spend the currency, and we can't do it because visa hard to get. Seriously, hard to get. Like, them the one we left here. Alright, President, so one last favor before you cut the Panama. Please, President, please. Go down the horizon and tell the security and the warden or whoever to please. Pray the word about.
You prefer walk barefoot and bow for your shoes, my youth. You say you win, but you lose, my youth.
Please.